how to get Spotify on Nintendo Switch. So if you want to get Spotify or listen to Spotify music on Nintendo Switch, then here is the method. First, you need to install and run Note Cable on your computer. After that, you need to import songs into your Note Cable. You can copy and paste the link of track, playlist, album to the designated column, and then drag the track or playlist or album to the main face. After that, navigate to the settings where you can customize the output parameter to your needs, such as output format, bitrate, sample rate, storage location, and many more. Once you've completed the above steps, simply click the Convert button, and Note Cable will start downloading songs from Spotify as your settings. To ensure smooth downloading, do not switch to any other programs during the process. And once the download is done, click the History tab and you'll find the Spotify downloads on your local drive. Since your Spotify songs have been downloaded as local music files on your computer, now you can transfer them to SD card or upload them to Google Drive and play Spotify music on Switch. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.